Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you ever seen that WordPress critical error on your website, don't worry, I will got you covered. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how to find and fix issue quickly so your site can be back up and running. Step 1. Check email for details. First, check your email. WordPress sent an email with more details about the error. Look for a message with the subject "Your site is experiencing a technical issue." This email will usually tell you which plugin or theme is causing the problem. Step 2. Disable plugin using File Manager. So go your hosting control panel like cPanel, open File Manager and go to public_html and find WP content folder. Then the plugin folder. Rename the plugin folder. Once you are in the plugin folder, and right click and rename it plugin_alt. This will disable all your plugin. Now refresh your site and to see if the error is fixed. Step 3. Re-enable plugins by one. If your site works now, so one of your plugin caused this issue. To find out which one, go back to File Manager and rename the folder back to Plugins. Then log into your WordPress dashboard and enable each plugin one by one until you find the one causing the problem. Step 4. Switch to default theme. If disabling plugin did not work, your theme could be the problem. Go back to the File Manager, navigate to public_html, WP content, then theme. Rename your current theme folders. And WordPress will automatically switch to default themes. See if they fix the error. Step 5. Contact your hosting provider. If none of these steps work, it could be a server-side issue. Contact your hosting provider for help. That's it. Hopefully this step helped you fix the critical error on your WordPress site. If it worked, hit the like button and subscribe for more simple WordPress tips. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.